Hello everyone, this is Zach here from TripVSA. First of all, thank you for watching this short video here. So today, this short video, let's look into some of the glove counters that it can be pretty good closing. Okay, mostly on last Friday, and let's see. Okay, any other goods opportunity for us to look for short opportunities tradings. Okay, so again, if I look into overall on a weekly chart basis, this is, I mean, my view still remain the same. I think this is still in downtrend. Obviously, it's in downtrend, and there's no sign of potential reversal yet. Okay, unless I do see a buying climax or maybe a stopping volume back holdings coming in. Okay, so at the moment, there's still an uptrust over here. This is coming from last month. So hopefully we will see a stronger volume coming in later on, okay, to ensure that they actually change the trend from downtrend to accumulation. Okay, but the purpose of this video today, we want to look into short-term opportunity. Okay, if you look into the current chart setup over here, this is just by looking into like past 1 or 2 months ago. Definitely we do see some volume coming in. Of course, like I said, on the Friday, on the closing of last Friday, it's not coming very fantastic volume, but at least it's increasing volume. Okay, now the question is here, whether do we still have the chance, okay, to do a short term tradings or not? Okay, short term opportunity, okay, for us to trade for this glove counters. Okay, so of course, if we want to look into short terms, we want to look into daily chart and hourly chart. So by looking into daily chart itself, currently is a UT bar, but of course now I think it's still too early because by the time I'm doing this video here, currently it's around 10:30. Okay, so by looking into 1 hour charts, I think the chart, the setup, everything is pretty nice. Okay, not to say very nice, but at least I think it's worth to monitor moving forwards. If let's say you're looking for short-term opportunities. Okay? So again, one thing we want to have a green Pentagon's upper trend 40s. So in this case over here, if you look into the previous green Pentagon, it didn't really able to follow through because the price actually cannot cross above the 40 MA and the 20 MA. Okay, so if I look into here, this green Pentagon here, okay, it haven't crossed, okay, when it turns to green panel, but subsequently you're able to push up. Okay, so this is the one that they actually inform us that yes, potentially, I mean, by looking into hourly chart here, there's chances for them to make a temporary reversals coming in. Okay, so of course for masterclass student, I think you're able to spot a very good COC right after actually they cross the 2040 moving average. Okay, so by looking into this short-term time frame over here, now this is the one that caught my attention. This is the big resistance. Okay, we got a gap down, sell off with up thrust. So here as well, we got a gap up, gap down. Okay, sorry, with a sell off bar as well. So in my former temporary resistance over here. So this is an area that you want to pay attention. So, okay, is there any some weakness, like for example, up thrust, high volume? Okay, now for me, of course, this morning here they make a pretty good bar. Okay, this is LC increasing volume with around like 5% to 6% up bar. So at the moment, it's a down bar. Okay, so of course, like I said, now currently I'm doing this video here, it's around like 10:40 in the morning. So I haven't, I need to see a few more bars. Okay, so hopefully moving forward after this LC here, it turns into COC. Okay, if let's say it turns to COC, or if let's say you see any test bar, NS bar, probably this is a good chance for you to do a quick trades. Okay, so I think overall short-term opportunity is still there. Okay, but again, if you want to plan for long time, I think overall still in downtrend. Okay, so currently I only will focus in hourly chart. Okay, to do a short-term trades over here. So Supermax still the same. Okay, it comes with up bar. Okay, up. Okay, this morning over here, let me close the volume on the left. Okay, so you can see better. So this is increasing volume. Again, this hour here currently is still average volume. Okay, still average volume. So for those that who want to have better confirmation, probably want to look into after lunchtime. Okay, hopefully we will see volume decreasing with a COC bar. Okay, for Supermax, even top. Okay, now let's look into K plus. I think mostly their movement is still pretty much the same, but to be frank with you, I prefer more K plus because K plus seems like if you look into the overall down bigger picture time frame over here, it seems I didn't have a downtrend. Okay, like what happens to toggle. Okay, and if you switch to hourly chart as well, the volume seems like higher compared to toggle and supermax. Okay, so again, this is a nice gap. Okay, so seems like they already closed the gaps on the left hand side as well. So which is I think more of the things also. Um, that's why I like to monitor more. I mean, if I'm referring to short term trading opportunities, I like to focus more. Okay, in K plus. Okay, so again, this video here is not to ask you to buy or sell some stocks. Just want to share with you how we use one spread analysis to do trading. Okay, by looking into weekly chart, daily chart, or hourly chart. Okay, so different chart setups we look into different time frame. Okay, so here sell off, uptrust, resistance, right? So it actually break with high volume gap ups. Okay, so hopefully for the next few hours be able to spot again COC. Okay, moving forward. Right. So again, this is just a quick update for some of the growth counters, which I think overall it do offer a opportunity. Okay, for short term trading. Again, not doing buy call over here, but if let's say it offer a good setup for me, I will consider to look for a short-term entry. All right. So with this, thank you for watching this video. If you think that you learn one or two things about this video here, appreciate if you can click the like buttons and subscribe to this channel.